foodies! Welcome to Jia Foods. I'm your Baby Chef Nehitha. Today my mama going to show cheese bites and fingers. Let's start the recipe. For cheese bites we're taking 1 cup of poha. Now we're going to make a fine powder. Now we are going to keep aside powder. Take a bowl, add some boiled potatoes. Now we are going to smash the potatoes. Now we got potato paste. Now we are adding cumin powder. Salt as per taste. Add pink salt. Now we are gonna add some green chilies. Now we are adding some curry leaves. Going to add some coriander leaves. For nice flavor, we are adding some mint leaf. Now we are going to add spicy red chili powder. Now let's add turmeric powder. Now we are adding some corn flour. Now we are adding some poha powder. Now we are mixing everything like a dough. Now our dough is ready. Now we are going to make a cheesy bites. Now we are going to take small portion of dough, cheese on the middle and cover perfectly. Make a shape as shown the mama. See friends how it's come to perfect shape. Repeat the same process for all bites. Keep in freezer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to deep fry. For deep fry, we are adding some oil. Add one by one to hot oil. Make sure fry on a medium flame. Slowly flip to the other side. Now it turns to golden brown color. Now slowly take it into paper towel. Now poha bites is ready. Now we are going to do poha fingers. Now we are going to take small portion of dough, roll gently as shown. Now we are gonna make a perfect shape like fingers. Repeat the process for all fingers. Now we are gonna do deep fry. Only add one by one to hot oil. So 3 minutes, flip into other side. It's turned to golden brown color. Now take it into paper towel. crispy Poha fingers is ready. Now take it into serving plate. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe Dear Foods. Bye bye friends. See you in the next video. Have a good day.